This is a flasher I have. It's got a ground wire you can just hook up to, you know, one of these 7mm bolts or screws that are right next to ALDL connector. If you need to add some length, it's just a ground wire. It's just a just put it to your chassis, and then it's got the 2-prong. Here's what you're after. Let's see if there's a part number. I'll put a part number in the description anyways. But you plug these in. You don't have to have LEDs to use these. But anyways, there's that. Now right now, that's what the flasher's doing after that's plugged in. And I got the wipers on, I got the headlights on, and then I got the air conditioning going on full blast.